Hey everybody, welcome to Go for Green Living. This video is brought to you by Green Hippies. Yes, we're in dire need of emergency Adobe oven repair. On Route 9, we're in Mexico. A hurricane came through, which me and Root were part of down there in Mexico. It came right over us, but a hurricane came through up here and it did some damage to the Adobe oven. It blew off the top of it, and you can see there's no top, and the water has just been eating away at a little bit. Of course, we can get some good close-ups at the different layers that was put on there, so you can see the different layers. But eventually, it just erodes away over time. The water constantly hitting it. So, but anyway, we're gonna fix it and get it back going again, so we can start using it.
So what are you gonna do again? My love. Oh, yes, you're thinking. This is the creative process. This is the stage where you go, how am I gonna do this? And you think and you think. We're gonna redo the Adobe oven, right, Anya? That's what you're doing. That's what he's thinking. And then this is the cob house. You see how the oven is made of stones? And we have a whole house here that is going to be repaired, and it's awesome. It's going to be so beautiful. Yes, butterfly bush in the back there. Gonna go and rescue that.
I'm thinking about different ways of adding some tin on here, because it's always put tin on here and then weighted it down. So I thought about trying to attach these pieces of a white oak here and then screwing the tin down to this. So maybe, I don't know, we can figure out something. But maybe move these back a little bit. Now, mixing Adobe 101. First thing we have to do is sift the dirt. Now the easiest way, alright, Adobe mixing 101. The first thing you gotta do is you gotta get the rocks out, the glass particles out, and everything that could hurt you or scratch up your hand or inhibit the Adobe from working. Little rocks are okay, but the bigger rocks really mess things up when you're trying to smooth it. All of a sudden, a big rock comes in and it's great, all that. Yeah, you'll see. So the best way I found to sift it, I have a 55-gallon drum. I have a piece of hardware cloth right here, and I just put on my gloves and I just kind of rub it over, and then it'll leave a bunch of rock particles. And try doing that. It's not hard. See how rocks have a big problem. There we go. You can always see right there, it's already building up all these rocks right here. That's how you do it. But we're going to need at least 2 5-gallon buckets of Adobe to do all the repairs that we gotta do, which is about 3 5-gallon buckets sifted. It's about. Seen me stomping around in this mud. Y'all hit the like button right now, and I'll get root to stomp around in this mud. What y'all say?
I have stomped before in Greece. I have stomped grapes in Greece before. So
Yeah.
it's not my first time stomping, but I've never stomped this before.
Never stop.
What actually is it that I'm gonna stomp into?
It's a cob. It's clay, sand, and straw, and water.
Okay, challenge is on, but I'm
Yes.
not doing that with my.
How many likes do we get? We'll see. It's getting tough.
Yeah, it's in the middle now. It's really tough. Okay, getting off the first layer. I feel like I'm like the first kibbutzi people. Oh, this is the clever one.
You remember that? What?
I just don't know why they threaten me so much. What the hell did I do them wrong?
Where do you want to look at? Look in that spot back there. Right back here. The spot on this side right here.